Hi everyone, this is Miss PC. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you what I got from Nykaa this winter, and we also have some Amazon finds. Look at this. I have like 7 boxes. Some of them are from Nykaa, some of them are from Amazon, and one is from Pilgrim, which is also included in नायका सो कुछ पार्सल्स ना अभी 2 दिन पहले ही आए एंड कुछ तो बहुत पहले ही आ चुके थे बट आई एम सो लेजी टू व्लॉग इट एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई हैव ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड यूजिंग सम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट सो आई एम गोना गिव अ ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू एज वेल ऑल ऑफ देम आर द एसेंशियल्स बट मोस्टली इट्स skin care or related stuffs, and we also have some random things, so let's get started. The first product of this haul is this Dove exfoliating body polish. I got this in the pomegranate seed and shea butter, and I got this for 679 rupees. I've seen all over the world's creator using this and reviewing it, and I couldn't wait, and then I got this. It is pink and it made me even excited to take bath. Like, it's very rare. It just got delivered 2 days back and I tried it and it smells so good. It's very thick than other body scrubs out there, which is actually a very good thing. It has a decent amount of product in it and I think it's gonna last for a very long time. I am not gonna use it every day and it's already winters now. So next we have this Plum Vanilla Body Oil for 254 rupees. As in winters, we really have to take care of our skin, not only the face but body as well, as it dries out a lot and looks wrinkled, which I hate. I'm really scared of wrinkles these days, like badly. I hate oily things and I avoid anything which feels greasy, but this one, it's very lightweight but gives good moisture at the same time. Doesn't feel greasy at all and smells like vanilla. And you need to use it on your damp body just after you take bath for better results. I used it. Now we got this minimalist retinol face serum for 569 rupees. Retinol is used to fight signs of aging, and I am 22, but lately I'm getting that feeling like, what am I gonna look like after 30s or 40s? I don't know. I feel like scared that I'm wasting my young age. Okay, so coming to the point, retinol is generally used like after 30s when you start getting that fine lines or wrinkles on your skin. But you can also use it after 20, because why wait for the fine lines to appear on the skin and then start using it? So I think precaution is better than cure, like as sooner as better. It's so good for the skin that it also reduces the acne, and it is in the oil form, which just spreads on my skin so easily. It doesn't feel greasy at all, so I used it. Now we have this Episoft moisturizer with SPF 50 for 505 rupees. This moisturizer is like my ultimate skincare, the only moisturizer I use. It was prescribed by my dermatologist few years back, and since then I'm using this. It's very non-sticky and very good for oily skin. This has reduced acne from my skin and made it more healthier. Even my brother had breakouts on his skin like 2 years back, and I told him do as I say, and I gave him this moisturizer and two more like gel based products, and his skin is like much more better and he's very consistent with his skincare. Like I buy 2 of these and uska wala khatam ho jata hai and fir mere mein se aake use karne lagta hai. Like this is the best moisturizer I have ever used. Next is this Maybelline New York Baby Lips for 200 rupees in the shade Berry Crush. I'm using this since school time, and school भी लेके जाती थी and checking time में teachers ले लेते थे. इतना ज़्यादा गुस्सा आता था. Even now I don't compromise with all this. Like मैं नहीं देती किसी को अपना सामान. So coming to the point, you must have already used this and I don't have much to say about this, just that I love this and I use it all day except going to the bed. I use other one when I go to the bed. I'll show you that in this video too. Now we have this Vega eyelash curler for 240 rupees. Everyone has this but I never got this because मुझे डर लगता था ये use करने में. Like I have seen videos of girls using this and उनके ना lashes निकल जाते हैं. But we need to use it very carefully for our lashes and the eyes as well. Like it lifts up the lashes so good, and after that putting a mascara, there is a huge difference. You can see that I have done it today. You can see my lashes. My younger sister had this, then I tried it from her and it worked, and then I got this. Okay, so next we have this L'Oreal Scalp Clay for 1150 rupees. I have shown this clay shampoo in my previous Nykaa haul as well. My scalp is oily and this works so good for me. Like I used this thing yesterday on my scalp and till now my scalp doesn't feel that much oily. Just a little bit, पहले तो next day morning में I had to wash it again, but this has really saved me because it's all about hair. Like if my hair gets oily, my face looks so dull and I hate oil. This is really good for people who has oily scalp, girl or boy. I have used so many shampoos but nothing worked like this one. Now we have this body wash from B Body Wise for 329 rupees. I have been using this since like years now. Few years back I have got like back acne all over hair, and it was probably because of the shampoo I was using. Like after you shampoo your hair, you need to put it up or clip it up and then wash your body. So I made this mistake and this resulted in a lot of back acne. And this body wash, like, it has helped me a lot. It stopped the new acne, removed the old ones, and then the marks were left, but then it was also like fading with time. Not that much, but yeah. Now we have this Streaks hair colorant cream for 186 rupees. This one is in the shade Mahogany Blonde 7.5, I guess. I actually got this for my mom. I wanted to color her hair like nicely. She really loves brown hair color, so I thought why not just give her a makeover. But she's denying it. She don't want to do it from me. She want to do it in parlor as always. Probably because she doesn't trust me, but I feel that I can do it very nicely. I've searched like so many colors and I watched the reviews and everything, and after that I came to this product, and this has so beautiful shade. And if my mom allows me to color her hair, I'll also make a video on that because I know how to do it. I have like colored my hair so many times, and watching them do it, I have learned it. Now we have this Streaks developer for 117 rupees. I got this in volume 20 because my mom doesn't want that light color. She want a normal brown hair color, not that blonde kind of. So that's why I got this in 20 volume. If you want more blonde kind of, you can take 30 or 40, but that really damages your hair. I hope my mom allows me to color her hair. She reads the comment. Just tell her in the comment that PC को color करने दो. Next we have this Vega hair coloring kit for 99 rupees. It has a brush to color the hair and a thin comb to divide the sections of the hair. You must have seen this in the beauty parlor. I literally got all of this, and now my mom is denying. She's telling she won't let me do anything to her hair, but I'm gonna do it anyway and make a video on this as well. Now we have this Nykaa pimple patches, 80 rupees each. I've got like 7-8 of them which I have already used because lately I'm getting a lot of breakouts on my face, so this really helps a lot. Like before, when I used to get acne or pimple on my face, it used to pain a lot, and when I woke up next day it used to get more worse. And I took help of the dermatologist and everything, but still I used to get some breakouts and all, and for that I took these, and whenever I got pimples on my face, I just used to take this and stick it on my face, and when I woke up next day it used to be like a lot lighter, and some of them even vanished. Like when a new pimple came up, it used to vanish. It really helps. So yeah. Now we have this Tony Moly nose patch for 100 rupees each, I guess. I've got 2 of them and I have not really used any nose patch or anything before. This is my first time, but I've used this brand Tony Moly. Like last time I got a green tea chalk toner and I use it every day and it's really good. So I thought why not just give this a try. I so want to make a detailed skincare, night care, or after bath care routine, but I'm so lazy. But I'll try to make it. Now we have this viral product, Simple Face Wash for 359 rupees. I was seeing this product everywhere on Instagram, YouTube, and even some of the celebrities were using this, but I didn't got it for that. I did a research on this product. I saw the ingredients and the honest reviews, and then I got this because this is about my face. The main reason why I got this product, because this is a very, very mild product and it says 100% soap free for all skin types. No color, no perfume, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin. At least my skin won't be upset now. I'm already using the Neutrogena face wash, which is amazing for my skin, but I also wanted to try out this one. I did. I have been using this like since few days. This is also really good one. Now we have this nail hardener from Miss Claire for 95 rupees. I got this one before I got like these extensions done. It's really good for the people who has thin nails or whose nails are very like fragile like mine. That's why I got these extensions. I'm gonna need it after I get my nails off, because after the nails are off, your real nails become more weak. So this helps. Now we have this Nykaa black kajal for 142 rupees. It's been a while that I have bought any kajals. I have used kajal of like so many brands, but I really liked Nykaa according to the price. This one is like very pigmented and very dark, so that's why I repurchased it. So after shopping so much from Nykaa, I only got these CeraVe face wash trial pack. I don't know if it's called CeraVe or CeraVe, but it's a really good brand. I have never used it before, but I'm sure it's like Cetaphil. I'm gonna try it out. Next, we have this Bella Vita lip scrub for 350 rupees, but I got this in discount price. I don't remember exactly how much, but it was discounted. How to take this off? These nails doesn't let me do anything. It's been like 2 weeks. I'm struggling. This is so cute. It has like glass kind of packaging and it helps in brightening your lips. It has beetroot extract, I think. I want to see the consistency of this. Oh, nice. Let's see. I've put it over here. I think this works on lips, not on hands. I'm a mess. So again, for the nail care, I got this Bella Vita cuticle oil. It's very necessary for your nails. Even after using the press-ons on my nails were so dry, damaged. So I needed this cuticle oil for that. And after this extensions, I don't know what's gonna happen to my nails. I keep, putting the cuticle oil around the cuticle like this. I'm not gonna apply it right now. It's gonna be sticky. We just have to take that and massage it like this around your cuticle, not on the nails. You can put it on the nails as well, but it's for the cuticle. That's why the name is cuticle oil. By default, my nail is like very weak, very thin, and it breaks up like easily. And I was really scared that if my nail damages permanently, because I really love my hands and I didn't want to spoil it, because if the nails are spoiled, your hand will not look good. Now I have to be consistent with my nail care as well. Wow. Now we have this Chaptics lip balm for 170 rupees and it has SPF 15, which is like really good. I was looking for some recommendations for the lip balm and I came across this product like a lot. Like most of the reviews were on this one, and even dermatologists. They said this one feels really good on the lips and it just brighten up your lips. And as girls, we put so much of lipsticks and lipsticks really does darken the lips. So we really need some protection. So this one helps. So this can be used by both girls and boys because it has no color. And I also heard some of them say that it is very good for them who smokes like a lot and their lips become very dark. This really helps them as well. So boys and some girls, get this. Now we have this Parachute castor oil for 168 rupees. This came like a month ago and I haven't used it till now. Shame. If you remember last time I made a Meesho home decor haul, there was a glass bottle which I got for oiling my hair. Since then I did not really oil my hair because I'm so lazy to be honest. So I'm gonna put this oil in that bottle. I'm like so sorry for all this to myself first, because I'm not taking care of myself. I have that bottle, I have this. Why am I not oiling my hair? Give me some peace of mind in the comment section. Danto mujhe, like I should feel bad. Coming to the point. No. So this oil is really good. It has castor oil which helps in new growth on your scalp. Still I'm not doing it. My hair used to be like so thick, so healthy. Whoever saw this, they were like, kya lagate ho apne hair mein? Now, sharm aa rahi hai mujhe. You can see. I don't want to see it. That's why I never make a ponytail. You want to see why? Takla. See, I have lost like so many hair, both of the sides. You can see. I should feel bad for myself at least. Coming to the point. Now I have to really oil my hair. Like I have realized it right now. I feel so bad for myself. I have to start oiling my hair for myself, not for anyone else, not for any video, YouTube, but for myself. Okay, so the last but not the least, we have this famous viral product, Pilgrim Hair Growth Serum for 545 rupees. I got this in buy one get one free sale. It's like third or fourth time I have purchased this one serum. This is not used by me, this is used by my brother. My brother started having a severe hair fall and he was like really so tense. Like he researched everywhere he could and got into a conclusion that this one really helps. So I ordered it for him and it did really help him because his hair fall is now reduced to like 80%. He's so consistent with his hair care, skin care. He does everything what I recommend him to do. He listen for only these things: outfit, skincare, hair care, all that. दूसरा चीज में तो he does opposite. He is consistent. Meanwhile, I'm not. Like I also have hair fall, not that much, touch wood, but I get. So I can use this and it can be beneficial for me as well. But no, I'm not. Even my brother is doing better. I have to change myself. If he can, why can't I? Like I say this in all of my videos and still don't do it. Like what kind of person I am? Like all the shame has left my body now, I think. So this was it for this video. All of the products were kind of important to me. Not kind of, obviously they were important. And I'm sure for all of the girls out there, this video is going to be important. Like all of the products are important. My family is tired of receiving these parcels. I'm sleeping all day and they are the one who have to receive it. So even after hearing so many things from them, I still buy it. And I don't do this for the video or anything. I do this for myself and I've been doing this since years. And I'm happy about it. I'm doing what makes me happy, and these products, yeah, they make me happy because I'm just a girl. And I'm gonna do anything for my happiness because at the end, it's just me and it's worth it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did unboxing it and seeing them, except for the money part because I didn't order all of these together because I think I shouldn't be spending so much. But then next day I order few products again. After some day I order again. I don't know why that feels that I'm spending less, but I think that becomes more. Okay, so if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and also share it with your friends, your family. Also subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.